So, I have a very unpopular opinion. I actually never want to be content. Hear me out. People ask me this all the time. What is the finish line for you? How much is enough? Why do you keep working so hard? What are you even actually working towards? And every time I feel like we're talking about two completely different things. People confuse happiness with contentment. I don't think they're the same. I think they're fundamentally different. And I don't want to be content. Honestly, the thought of complete contentment scares me. Because if you ever woke up and felt like there's nothing left for you to build, nothing left to learn, nothing left to become, I think a part of me would just die. Not physically, but mentally. Because movement is what makes us feel alive. That hunger is what makes us feel alive. So I think about Jane Goodall here, okay? She once said that I'll die fighting, that's for sure. And I remember hearing that and thinking, yes, that's exactly me. Not because I'm unhappy, not because I'm ungrateful. I'm incredibly grateful for my life and I'm incredibly happy in it. But happiness for me has never come from arriving somewhere. It comes from becoming someone. It comes from waking up with another idea I cannot stop thinking about, another skill that I want to learn, another mountain that I want to climb. I think people are afraid of always wanting more because they think it means they'll never be satisfied. For me, the curiosity is the satisfaction. The growth is the satisfaction. The chase is the satisfaction. People spend so much of their lives trying to reach this magical place where everything is finally done. But if there's no unfinished dreams, no scary goals, no risks to take, what exactly are you even living for? Comfort gets marketed as happiness, but comfort is static. Growth is alive. And I would always choose growth every single time. So should you. Because nobody looks back and regrets trying. They regret convincing themselves not to try. So, no, I do not want to have a finish line. I do not want to become content. It's very simple. Happiness isn't reaching the destination, it's knowing there's another adventure waiting for you. So, what is that adventure that you want to be unsatisfied for?